Bunlar kimi çekiyor? Beni mi çekiyor?
Onlara yeter. I have spent the week skiing in Turkey with Ahmet and JP Eclair. I can't even explain how much different it is here. There's like 3 skiers on the mountain that actually know how to like make a turn and ski. Everybody's just like throwing on their rental boots and has got their din at 4 and is falling all over the place. It's entertaining. I rode the palm up with some snowboarders and they said they've never seen free skiing in this country, and the only place that there's park is at this one resort. We just got done hitting a banister rail here at Hotel Kardeşler, and it's not what you would expect. The most can-do attitude I've ever seen out of any country. That's why I love it out here. Everybody's out to help you. Even if you don't know Turkish, they'll try to, you know, talk to you and figure stuff out. Right here, and then off. Teşekkürler.
Önemli değil, ne demek?
We're trying to hit a handrail here, and the bus boys from this restaurant are trying to blow snow for us. I really don't know.
Vay be, dünyaca meşhur oldu.